Welcome, here I've got ULEFONE Armor X5 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it. We can do it by going to the left corner here. By tapping on this button we get access to advanced camera mode. And as you can see here we have the pro mode, so let's pick it. And we can start using this. The pro mode gives us possibilities to choose shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills and making experiments. So let me start with these three sliders here. The first one is the white balance, so here we can adjust the temperature of our picture, and as you can see from the left we can pick the tungsten light, daylight, white fluorescent light and the cloudy light. So this is how it works here. And let's move to the next one button. This is the ISO. So here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light, and we can pick from 100 to 800. So this is short spectrum, but I think all this is useful anyway. So let me stay on this, and let's move to the last one button here and slider. So this is the exposure compensation. By using this we can also adjust the light of our picture. By going to the right we can make it just more bright, as you can see, and by going to the left we can make it more dark. So this is how it works here, and this is how to adjust these settings. And after turning on all of these settings, sometimes we may want to go back to the auto settings and start again. We can do it by just one tap on this button here. And as you can see, now it changes to the auto settings. So this is how it works here. And for now, let me take a picture. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.